Okay, first of all, where is it? We have our Trinity. Trinity, carrots, onions, and celery. Okay? This is our Trinity to make wonderful sauces, especially for bolognese. Okay? I had a little garlic. In the same oil that I fried the eggplant. But okay. Add the meat. Okay, I browned it a little. Why this thing moves so much? Put bay leaves. Put a little pepper. A little pepper flakes, of course, tomato paste. Okay, I'm gonna put salt later when I add the passata. Okay, we let it cook a little, maybe it's just too little. I want to put a little bit more. This that I'm making today is very little. See, a little tray. We make tremendous, huge trays for Sundays. This is great to take to the beach, to eat it cold. This anelletti al forno. Did I show you? Those imported from Favignana. My anelletti. Okay, now we put the passata. I had some water, but I'm gonna add more. Beef broth. Okay, oh, that's in front of it. Wine, which I was supposed to put earlier, but that's okay. Here we have it. And peas. Why everything stuck to my hand? Okay. We had some salt, and we let it cook. Oh no! Some basil. Here we go. Let's finish this one. Okay. We cover and we simmer.